guys, it's Zoe Weeks Vlogs, and today I'm going to be opening all these fidget kind of things, and fidget spinners aren't really a trend anymore, but it doesn't matter because I got these all yesterday, and I just was like, I want to make a video on opening them, so today that's what I'm going to be doing. So as you can see, we got 2 fidget cubes and 2 fidget spinners. So to start off, we're going to start by opening this fidget spinner. So we're going to start with this kind of like fire fidget spinner. There's a tag on it too, so ooh, nothing in there. The camera's moving, guys. Just told me that. Oh, guys, let me move this. Okay. Ooh, that's a nice, it's like heavy duty fidget spinner. And it looks like fire too. So let's do a little montage.
I'm a bad bitch and baby, I'm the baddest. You I'm a savage, can't have this, can't have this. And it'd be nice of me to take it easy on ya, but now.
Okay, so I'm gonna set this right here. Next, we are going to be opening the fidget spinner. I forgot to show you guys. And also, while I'm opening this, guys, comment down below some pranks because I want to do a prank video. Okay. Ooh, I like this one too. Oh, this one's still heavy, but it's really smooth. I like the heavy one. Not too heavy, but it makes a lot of noise too. You can see the bearing really nice. It spins. That is pretty cool. Now show montage. Okay, I'm gonna set this one right. Next, we're going to be opening this one. So I've already been playing with this one, and the box is already ripped like that when I got it, but it doesn't matter. I love it. These ones click the most, and I think, yeah. I love playing with fidget cubes. Oh, I could play this all day. I don't know how we're going to do a montage with this, but we'll just try.
Return to the Mac, get up what it is, what it does, what it is, what it isn't. Looking for a better way to get up out of bed instead of getting on the internet and checking a new hit. Get up, first shot, hip strut walking, a little bit of humble, a little bit of cautious, somewhere between like Rocky and Cosby's for the game. No, y'all can't copy up. Bad moonwalking, and this here is our part.
Okay, last but not least, we have this. Oh, the thing. It's fine, I don't need the packaging. Ooh, I like the color of this one. Sorry, things. This one's cool too. One of it. Ooh, that's really cool. I like this one. Okay, guys, the last montage, and then the outro.
Been waiting around all summer, seen you posting pics and it's been such.
So I hope you guys enjoyed me unboxing fidget cubes and fidget spinners. Comment what the next video should be. Remember, give me some ideas for pranks that I should do. And also, I was wondering if you guys would like me to melt something in this fidget spinner. Not something in this fidget spinner mold, and put it on. That would be pretty cool. But it's whatever you guys want to see, so comment what you want to see next. And I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video, and have fun. Hope you guys enjoyed. Remember to subscribe, comment so I can notice you, and you might get a shout out on sometimes videos. So yeah, do that thing. And like the video. Have fun.